Simran.
So today we are going to do the tongue twister challenge. So the rules of this challenge is that we are going to pick a chit and then we have to read out the tongue twister. We have to at least say the tongue twister 4 times without any error. Once you say that 4 times, you get a point. So let's begin.
Yes. And there is a punishment for the loser,
Yeah,
which
it's
she'll
coming up
announce later as a surprise.
in the last of the video. So make sure you see till the end.
And I have to start smiling.
Tongue one.
These are very good. What is it, Susie? I saw Susie sitting in a shoe shine shop. I saw Susie sitting in a shoe shine shop. I saw Susie sitting in a shoe shine shop. I saw Susie sitting in a shoe shine shop.
Very good. She gets a point. Okay, let's
So, how many, how many times I'll win or whatever points I get, I'll keep that chit with me so that at the end we can count कि हाँ इसको इतने point मिले. And if I lose, we have to keep the chit in the center. So, very easy.
So that we remove and we don't put it in.
So, 1 point.
So fuzzy, 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 fuzzy,
Super easy one.
fuzzy. Lucky chance. Okay. Fuzzy, fuzzy. Thought a thought. 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 Okay, she got it.
I mean, they are getting easy ones.
It's okay. It's okay. It happens.
I saw a kitten eating a chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating a chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating a chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating a chicken in the kitchen.
So this is really easy for now.
Like, I can do these tongue twisters very well. I have taken it.
How much wood would a wood chunk chunk? 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 It was funny. Wood chunk chunk.
These are easy ones.
Chunk chunk.
Just say them easily.
No, there is one which is like, one is small which is a little confusing, which I got like fuzzy 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 fuzzy.
That is it. You must take down these.
Yes. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. So, we got to round 3 and no chips are getting she got the long one.
She said seashells by the seashore. Acha, I have to do this whole thing.
Yeah.
Okay, let me read this. Yes, seashells by the seashore.
Actually, this is really
Seashells, she said.
One, are you ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
She sells seashells by the seashore. The seashells she sells are seashells, she is sure. She sells seashells by the seashore. The seashells she sells are seashells, she is sure. She sells seashells by the seashore. The seashells she sells are seashells, she is sure. She sells seashells by the seashore. The seashells she sells are seashells, she is sure.
You said
So I pronounce sure. That is main to my seashell है. हाँ.
So guys, it's getting really easy. So we have to say the whole thing without stopping. So it will be like complicated without stopping. This is the really easy
And
one.
this is the last one.
Bitty pot butter, the butter was bitter, so bitty wala and the potato with the bitter butter bitter. Bitty pot butter, the butter was bitter, so bitty butter and the potato with the bitter bitter. Bitty pot butter, the butter was bitter, so bitty butter and the potato with the bitter bitter bitter. Bitty pot butter, the butter was bitter, so bitty butter and the potato with the bitter bitter bitter.
But it was so fun that even we could not understand what he was saying.
Okay, I'm saying it again. Bitty pot butter, the butter was bitter, so bitty butter and the potato with the bitter bitter bitter. Bitty pot butter, the butter was bitter, so bitty butter and the potato the butter was sweet as a bitter potato, potato with a better, better, better. This is my favorite one.
You should have by hearted the whole thing.
This is my favorite one, that's why. Without straw.
This one is difficult.
Yeah, this is like, and you have to pronounce it without like guessing. Finger, pepper, finger, paper of pickled peppers. So she has to say this without stopping. 1, 2, 3, go. Peter Piper pickled a pack of pickled peppers. Peter Piper pickled a peck of pickled peppers. Peter Piper pickled a peck of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. एक तो उसने किया कि पहले पैक बोला फिर पिक बोला फिर पिक बोला फिर पैक बोला तो मतलब इसका तो हो गया प्रॉब्लम. इट वाज पिक ऑफ पिकल्ड पेपर तो उसने फर्स्ट ट्राई में खराब कर दिया उसे. शी सेड पैक तो लास्ट इट है किसी के लिए नहीं है तो आई विल जस्ट रीड इट आउट. ये सब लोगों को करना है, सबको करना है.
But she is the loser.
If she doesn't say this, she's a loser. Anyway, she can be there.
Through 3 cheese, trees, 3 fleet, fleece, flew. What? Fleece, who is fleece? What is fleece?
Please, the dogs में होते हैं वो छोटे-छोटे. Flew, 3 cheese, trees, 3 fleece, flew, free, flew.
She loses. She gets -1.
Through 3 cheese, trees, 3 free fleas.
Now they both have -1 bar. So we're gonna have a tie because I am going to decide as I am the winner. And I'm gonna give them something very hard. So let's meet after deciding.
Okay, so I'm just gonna like pause it for a minute.
Yes.
Okay, guys. So the winner, which is clearly Simran Didi, she has decided.
शुरू ही नहीं हुआ है.
शुरू हो गया है.
Well, okay, so I have decided 2, but I'm gonna give them the hardest one. They know it, but still, I'm gonna give them this is very
Is
hard.
that the good chef?
No, that is wrong. You have to say upper roller coaster, lower roller coaster, 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 upper.
कितने टाइम?
And
3
since
times.
they are the losers, they are gonna say.
Can I like
Start.
ignore the acting?
Upper roller coaster, lower roller coaster, upper roller coaster.
Upper roller coaster, lower roller coaster, upper lower roller coaster, upper roller coaster, 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 lower roller coaster.
-1. She didn't get it.
Upper roller. अभी तो हो गया. Upper roller coaster, lower roller coaster. 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 But and the first try
That
she
is-
messed up. No.
Now you have to be honest and tell what's the punishment. What will the punishment? Be honest and tell.
एक मिनट. कौन वाला है? तो एक मिनट. अभी second
Now
वाला है.
we both can decide the punishment.
Ah!
So guys,
Easy.
we're gonna decide punishment.
Okay, so I'm like going to like.
No, don't pause. We're gonna
Okay,
decide.
I'm going outside so that there is.
Step up.
Hey guys.
So we're gonna decide something very, very, very difficult for her, which she can never, like, you know, which she's quite scared of or anything. So What can we say? So we're not going to give her anything risky, but something which is quite difficult for her. What do we give her? We'll think and then talk about it. So we have finally decided what to do. We are gonna make her drink lemon juice. We all love it, but this is natural lemon juice, which is from this lemon. So, आइए drink. I'm gonna squeeze it in.
So should we go into camera?
Yeah, come.
And first,
I just wanted to do this with her since long. Okay.
I don't like it.
Don't
One-
puke on my face.
One. If she gives me too much, I'll speak on her face. 1, 2, 3, start.
अरे आ नहीं रहा मुँह ऐसे कर बैठो बैठो
मेरी आँख में नहीं जाना चाहिए.
हाँ.
मेरी नाक के अंदर बढ़ जाती है.
बाकी इसका मुँह पकड़
इसका मुंह पकड़. It's yum. Actually, it's yummy.
कम
Yum. अच्छा है पंचमन से मुझे विटामिन सी.
It's nothing like that.
It's too
So that is what for today.
It's not too bad. इसको भी करना है.
हाँ तो किसी में नहीं देना बट इसको बस एक ही बार रहेगा
Nice था. अच्छा है. पता नहीं इतना अच्छा बन
That is all.
देना है
Today,
थोड़ा सा.
and the YouTuber herself is the loser. We're gonna just tease her lifelong for that thing.
अच्छा है.
ये नाटक है.
अरे सच्ची अच्छा है.
That's all for today.
Bye guys. Bye.